Ever heard of the Belgrave Cough? In 1912, visitors to the tiny British town of Belgrave noticed locals clearing their throats just as strangers walked by. Odd, right? Here's the secret: that cough isn't random, it subtly signals discomfort or disapproval, triggering outsiders to adjust their behavior unconsciously. Now, imagine this in offices today. Seasoned managers use a well-timed throat clear to steer meetings without ever saying a word. Let it go unchecked, and suddenly you're second-guessing every move, without knowing why. The defense? Next time someone Belgrave coughs near you, meet their gaze and calmly ask, "Did you want to say something?" This flips the script and forces transparency, leaving manipulation out in the cold.